In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070643 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is we have to click on the Start button and then we have to click on the Settings icon. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Then we have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with a Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. And aside from that, this troubleshooting step will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply follow the suggestions and recommendations. After running the troubleshooter, do not forget to restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next thing that we can do is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then on the right pane, we can find this option Run as Administrator. Simply click on that. Click on Yes for the user account control. Then here I have this command. Simply copy and paste it. This will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V. And then hit enter. So this will start for the scan. This is a DISM scan. So wait for the process to be done. Patiently wait for this because this will take some time. It could take for 50 minutes or 1 hour. So simply wait for the process to be done. Now once the process is done, do not forget to run the second command, which is the SFC scan. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So once the DISM scan has been done, run the second command, which is the system file checker scan. And once you have run the two commands, do not forget to restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.